Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, welcome, I am Finn. In today's video I've got a really exciting video. So basically I went onto Amazon 4 days ago and I picked up a load of gel and nail varnish sort of stuff. I'm going to try and plough through this video because I've got 1 bar on my battery and not sure how long that's going to last. So the things that I ordered, they are all, I'd like to say they're all 5-star, they're not, they're almost like they're all 4.5 stars. I will link everything in the description below, but basically I've got everything that you can think of that you should need for gel nail varnish for about £50, which is not bad. It all arrived today. I've got a load of parcels and I'm just going to open them, so I'm so excited. Basically I love wearing nail varnish, but I have quite a heavy on the hands job and it was constantly chipping, so hopefully these last a little bit longer. And I've watched a load of YouTube videos, things that you need, read a lot of reviews. So everything that I bought here, I have read the reviews inside and out. I picked it because there's the 4.5 stars because of the amount of reviews, the price, etc. So hopefully it works. Let's open the parcels. Oh, we have ourselves some cuticle oils. That's actually quite a big bottle. So the first thing I picked up was some cuticle oil, if I wanted to, there we go. This, I'll put the price and the Amazon link just here, but that's what I picked up. Not too bad. Let's actually have a little smell. Oh, that's tight. Oh yeah, the reviews are right. It smells of melon. That is definitely melon flavoured. Got ourselves a little grey package. I'm pretty sure I know what these are, so I'm pretty sure these are going to be the lint-free wipes that you use to clean the nail prior to the gel, or if your top coat leaves like a tacky layer, you use them to clean that off. But that's what they look like, and they are just lint-free pads, a little bit like wipes. These are really affordable. I'll leave the price up here, but considering like how many you get, I think there's 200, that's not bad. So we've got ourselves another grey little pack. So we've got the Canarine gel polish base and top coat, which comes in this little box, and on the back there are some instructions. And then, so this had 4.5 stars with a lot of reviews, and it was, I think it was less than 5. I'll leave the price here. So inside we've got a little foamy bit. Let's just try and, that is tricky to get out. Get out, you munchkin. Okay, this actually looks really quite professional considering the price I paid, so that's what that looks like. And like I say, it's just gel base and top coat. So awesome. Yeah. So this is the exciting one. I'm pretty sure this is my colours, so there are loads of really cool, like, affordable gel polishes on Amazon, but I went for the Yayo Shun ones. I'm pretty sure there's just under 1,000 reviews and it's got a 4.5 star rating. So if we just give these an open, are these vegan? I can't remember, I'll write it in the description, but they're a little bit smaller actually than what I was expecting. I was expecting them to be a little bit bigger than that. So that's what they look like in the packaging. They do look really cute, but I was just expecting them to be a little bit bigger. Got ourselves a little grey one, a glittery one, another glitter one, and then we've got on top of that, I'll do a better review of these probably separately to be honest, but then we've got another pink, a beige and a whatever the other colour was. But yeah, I was just expecting them to be a little bit bigger, but it's fine, hopefully they're okay, and they were really affordable. Lastly, even more exciting, is the UV lamp. So I'm really excited about this because basically it was the cheapest one on Amazon I could find. It had 3,000 reviews and a 5-star rating. What? So this was £12 for a lamp, £12. It's not UV, sorry, it's LED. Let's just get into this and have a little look. A lot of the reviews are genuinely like, it wouldn't have 5 stars with 3,000 reviews if it was bad, but a lot of them say that it's a lot smaller, so you have to do your thumbs separately. which is something that I was willing to do to save myself £30. So that does not bother me. Yay! And I'm going to do a full review of this separately as well because I've not seen a single one on Amazon. But basically I got the Bella Nails LED nail dryer and I'm just so excited to try that. So yeah, and this is 12 watt, 4-finger curing, you thumb separately, pedicure friendly so you can put your whole foot in. It's 3 times faster than a traditional UV, and there's 4 times on it, and the times are, and the four times are 10 secs, 30 secs, 60 secs and 300 secs. 4 amazing results. So yeah, that's everything that I bought from Amazon. I got the LED, the cuticle oil, the gel and top coat, the base and top coat, the 6 colours and some lint-free cleaners. I also picked up, I'll put a picture here but it's not here yet because I ordered that from Just My Look, and that is the acetone to remove it and something that helps clean your nails prior to applying. So everything that I picked up genuinely cost me less than £50. It was about £47 and it was all 4.5 to 5-star ratings. So I'm so excited, cannot wait to try it. I will probably, oh, why can't I talk? I will probably film my first attempt just because why not. If you're wondering why I haven't picked up things like nail files, buffers, etc. I already have them, didn't need them, so I think if you needed to buy stuff like that, you could probably look at about £55 for the whole set. But I will link everything that I've got in the description below. It should be everything that you need to start, hopefully. If you like the video, please don't forget to give it a like and smash that thumbs up button. It's so appreciated. And if you want to see or hear more from me, or wait until I attempt to use these nail dryers and stuff, then please hit that sub button and ring the bell notification so you're notified next time that I post anything. And that's all I really want to say. I hope you have a fantastic evening, fantastic weekend, a fantastic day, and I really hope that I see you again in the next one. Bye!